What a wonderful day!
Hoy hoy, let's take a look at Robot Toys Caesar, a legend scale version of Optimus Primal. And while I'm not generally a Legends collector when it comes to Beast Formers, I can make a bit of an exception. So, in this little baggie we have the mutant face from back when the original Beast Wars figures from season 1 had this mutant face that never really appeared in the series, but it's a thing you can do if you want. Let's put this to the side. We have a hammer, typical Primal skull hammer that he tends to have in some toys. We also have bits and pieces. Oh, different mouths. Let's see if we can tell the difference from one to the other. The hell is that? That's a smiling face. You're gonna have to take my word for it. And this is a talking face, I think. Yeah, I guess. And the Primal swords. Let's lower the camera a little bit and put this closer and take a look at this guy who is very, very fucking tiny. Look at that. You just hold it in one hand. Okay, so first things first. He looks very cute. He looks fucking adorable. Mario jump. Typical Optimus Primal backpack. Properly tensioned. That's a okay. This untapped, but that's part of transformation. That's held there by tension, but you can press it in more. Or yeah, it's a bunch of ball joints, which it's fine because it's a Legends. It's a legend scale thing. It's really small. And that's about it. He looks cute. Very cute. How well can you hold your weapons? Let's see your hands. Can they open? They look like they can. Let's see. They do. And then I guess you just wrap his hands around it. So it's not like super secure, but I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Yeah, that's fine. Do you have anywhere to store them though? Huh, that came off way too easily, I think. Oh, look, he has... I can barely tell because of the camera. What if I turn off the light? Somewhat, because it's black on black, so yeah. But he actually has his shoulder cannons, though they're black, so you can barely tell. Do you have your... Yes, look at that. No, look at that. Gimmicks. It's a very small figure with gimmicks. That's cool. He has the wrist launchers, but I can't get them out of there because they're... The fuck is my spudger? There you go. Hey, that works. So I don't think he has anywhere to store these Or maybe he does. Yeah, I'll check soon. I'll check soon. Let's get these out. So that's nice. I like the colors. Like this red here, that looks pretty fucking good. So does the one inside of his shoulder. Looks pretty fucking nice. The head sculpt. Come on, focus, damn you. Camera, focus, there you go. The head sculpt looks really fucking nice. Like, this is a really nice looking figure. It's just like, oh, you know me. It's really fucking small. That's my only issue with it. It's really fucking small. Can you put this here? Yeah, you can totally store his swords on his shoulders, which is weird, but it's a thing you can do, I guess. I imagine like transforming this guy must be a cinch. I just realized this doesn't include instructions, but I doubt that this is hard at all. It's like typical Optimus Primal transformation, I would imagine. There we go. That works. That's small and cute. Very, very small and cute. Let me quickly undo all of that because I forgot to do the... And see, and I didn't actually use this hinge. What is this hinge? What is this hinge for? I probably had it mistransformed, to be quite honest. Let's go ahead and quickly get him back to robot mode to do the size comparisons, which are going to be hilarious because this thing is small. Very, very, very fucking small. And you'll see how small it is once we put it next to the usual bots I use for size comparisons. There we go. And that's all she wrote. Oh man, that was... Getting it to robot mode is very, very fucking simple. There you go. Alright, so for size comparison, let's put first I want to do something different. I want to put him next to another legend scale Optimus Primal I have. That's him next to the Dr. Wu Optimus Primal. And this guy's fun. I prefer this one more. I like how stylized it is, and I don't know if it feels better. So that's him next to that Dr. Wu. Next is him next to mainline Optimus Prime, the Earthrise mold. And last but not least, and this is gonna be the one that gets really fucking funny, here he is, MP10. See if I can get both of them in shot. Don't fall. I know he's really fucking big. Don't fall. Now here's the funny thing. These two, I believe they're actually on scale. I believe these two are actually on scale. Because Optimus Prime, I believe, was this big in comparison to the beasts in Beast Wars. So I think this is as close as the actual scale we're ever gonna get between these two. So, for all intents and purposes, this is an MP scaled Optimus Primal, because it's actually in scale with masterpiece, Optimus Prime. So that's a very interesting thing. That's it for me. That was very interesting. Thanks for joining me. Before we go, I want to go ahead and can you actually? Yeah, there you go. That looks fine. I don't think you can transform with it, but it looks cool. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for joining me. Adios.